a million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just let me
I'm in this off the shoulder shirt. I'm back with some human hair drip. Now, if you're new here, I feel like I always got to give this disclaimer. If you're new here, a moment of transparency, synthetic is more my drip. But I do review human hair on here because there are some of you that like human hair. The only way that I work with a human hair company is if we've tried them before and we like them. If we try them and we don't like them, we tell them they trash, and we never hear from them again. This is a company that we work with that we've actually really liked. Bam, Nadula hair, okay? I just started working with them in these past few months since Rona started. And I will say that this company has worked its way into being in like my top 3 most favorite human hair wig companies. I like what I've gotten so far. All I've done is taken this out of the DHL packaging. I have no idea what's in it, boo. Let's see together. Oh, we got some color. All they put in the box is stock caps, okay? The wig, though, woo, it says that it's burgundy, it's 24 inches, and it's Brazilian hair. That's all I know. If you look in the description box, all the details will be there. Because y'all know most of the time I just be playing in this little hair. All right? All right. I'm just taking it out the box. Oh, it came with a headband, too. Lord, is it a headband? Oh, praise God. Lord, it ain't a headband wig. I'm so over. Okay? They gave me a headband, though. Okay? If I give you this, well, not give, if you buy this off Poshmark, I'll throw that little headband in there for you. Because y'all know I ain't going to keep this. I'm going to get rid of it. Oh, but it's bomb cap construction. Easy cap construction. Come on, Nadula hair. Okay, so first of all, look how pretty that is. I'm going to plug up my flat iron because I am going to straighten this jaw. Okay? Let's look at the cap construction. Easy. Y'all. If I do get human hair or if I wear human hair, this is what I like. That's a 4x4. So simple, so easy. No glue, no tacking down, no tying down, no sewing, none of that crap. Okay, them 13x14s, 68x92s bring. Easy 4x4. You get a comb here to the right. You get a comb to the left. You get a comb in the back with your adjustable straps. Y'all, this is going to be easy peasy. Okay. They already got that pre-plucked little part. And this pretty deep part they have done for you. Y'all, this is super cute. Okay. Let me put it on my head without a stocking cap so you can just see that parting. Y'all, this color is so fall ready. Now, it's not dark rooted. So if you like dark roots, this ain't gonna be for you. But y'all, okay, and it's 24 inches. I'm 5'5". Here's my waist. There's my belly button. Okay, it falls right to my belly button. See? You want to see it? There it is, belly button. Now go to hell. Okay, so it's rather long, like I said, 24 inches, and that's where it falls on me. Y'all, this is absolutely gorgeous. What I'm going to do is cut off this lace, run my flat iron through it, and then come back with our final thoughts. But y'all, I think this is going to be an easy bop. Y'all, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. It was pretty before, you know, I ran my flat iron through it. But the movement, the color, and the body on this is just Yes, ma'am. The honest part that I was worried about, like I was thinking I was gonna have like a whole bunch of flyaways, and y'all, I don't. And that actually shocks me because a lot of times with human hair, that's what you get. And I normally have to go in with my little handy dandy wax stick, but I didn't have to. This hair is really, really nice. It's really, really gorgeous. And that's what I can give Nadula about all of the hair that I've gotten from them. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful hair. So if you were looking for some like burgundy, red, make a statement when you walked in the room hair because it's 24 inches, sis, this is the wig for you. This is absolutely gorgeous. Like I always say, and then with it being a 4x4, that makes it so easy and beginner friendly. Because y'all know that's why I like synthetic over human, because it is so doggone easy, and a 4x4 is just that. Okay, even though it's not dark rooted, if you look close, it looks throughout the hair like you have some pieces that are darker that give it a little bit of dimension, and I do like that too. So do I recommend this wig? Yes, I do. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Red. Everybody got a cousin Red, period. Okay, I always show them to the family cookout with them chick drinks from Winn-Dixie. Okay, which are the best drinks to me? Maybe it's not, I don't know, maybe it's not your cousin Red. Maybe it's your other cousin Red, okay, who he just, you know, he ready to live in his truth and let Red put on this fire red wig, because he been wearing, you know, that little finger wave synthetic wig that's 8 out, okay? Let him be great. Send it my way and we'll get him right. Y'all, this is cute. I love it. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, very, very soon. Bye.